All right, Chloe.
Hello.
What are you going to tell us?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. It's not quite Christmas yet. Not even December yet, but it's sure coming along, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you for my present.
What did I give you?
The wallet.
Show me.
With lots
It's probably been done.
Ooh, look at that, a shell purse and creamy cocoa lip balm. So what's in that little purse?
of money
Money? From where?
from different places.
Yes.
Wanna see?
Yes.
You can't get up for a game.
Here's one.
Did you do with your finger, love?
Yes.
Here's another one. Here's another one.
Yes. Let's see.
There it is.
Money from all over the world. Very cool. You like that then, eh?
Yeah. I love it. Thank you.
Good.